Traders, you all know TEAM, we call it team, and we featured the short in the live trading room with all your features, advantages, and benefits and everything that you can learn, and most importantly, you make money. Now, with the 175 put options, we're going to feature those right here, right now. We're going to let you see the gain. We bought them at $14.50. Today's low was $20 and we made a high of $32.80. That is a huge gain. And this is the daily chart. This was a daily trend line that it broke that daily support. And you can see it get just hammered. And the big gains that go with it. Okay, traders, on the website, you got all your go-to plays. Oh, yes, you do, just like you do right now. You're with me. You're here. You're here to develop what? The golden rule, the relationship that makes trading fun. That's exactly what we do. So let's start today and let us not forget that.